In CCT मैथमेटिक्स टुडेज टॉपिक इज़ लाइकन। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्या आपने कभी लाइकन के बारे में सुना है? लाइकन ऐसे टाइनी प्लांट्स होते हैं जो रॉक्स के ऊपर ग्रो करते हैं। जैसा कि आप इस पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं, लाइकन की शेप लगभग सर्कल जैसी है। आपने ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा। ड्यू टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, ice of some glaciers is melting. 12 years after the ice disappears, tiny plants called lichen start to grow on the rocks. 12 years के बाद आइस डिसअपियर होनी शुरू हो जाती है और उसके साथ ही रॉक्स के ऊपर लाइकन ग्रो करना शुरू कर देती है। There is a relationship between the diameter of the circle and age of the lichen, and this is d is equal to 7.0 into square root of t minus 12 for t greater than equal to 12, where d represents the diameter of lichen in millimeters and t represents the number of years after the ice has disappeared. Let us solve questions related to this formula. First question is, using this formula, find the diameter of lichen 16 years after the ice has disappeared. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें diameter find करना है. So we will write diameter question mark and time is given. Time is 16 years. Now we will write the formula. D is equal to 7 into square root of t minus 12. Now let us put the value of t in this formula. 7 into D is equal to 7 into 16 minus 12, which is further equal to 7 into square root of 4. Next step, square root of 4 is 2, so we have 7 into 2, that is 14. So diameter of lichen is 14 millimeters. So this is our answer. Now question number 2. Alok measured the diameter of some lichen and found it was 35 millimeter. How many years ago did the ice disappear? आलोक ने कुछ लाइकन का डायमीटर मेजर किया और पाया डायमीटर 35 मिलीमीटर है। तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि कितने ईयर्स पहले आइस डिसअपियर हुई। Number of years, it means t we have to find, and diameter is given, it is 35 millimeter. Now we will write given formula, which is like this: d is equal to 7 into square root of t minus 12. Now substitute the value of d here. So we get 35 is equal to 7 into t minus 12. In the next step, 35 upon 7 is equal to square root of t minus 12. And these two terms gets cancelled and we get 7 5s are 35, so we get 5 is equal to square root of t minus 12. Now squaring both sides, we get 25 is equal to t minus 12. Now shifting minus 12 to left hand side, we get 25 plus 12, 37 is equal to t. This means 37 years ago eyes disappeared. I hope this presentation is helpful to you in solving CCT questions. Thank you.